Hey there, tech-savvy WhatsApp users. Welcome back to Tech Things 360. Today, we've got something exciting for you. A fresh batch of WhatsApp tips and tricks for 2023. WhatsApp is constantly evolving, and knowing the latest hacks can make your messaging experience even better. Whether you're a WhatsApp aficionado or just looking to up your messaging game, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss these fantastic WhatsApp tips and tricks. Kicking off our list at number 1 is dark mode. If you haven't already, enable dark mode in WhatsApp to reduce eye strain and save battery life on your device. At number 2, we have message disappearing. You can set messages to disappear automatically after a specified time, enhancing your privacy. Up next at number 3 is custom wallpapers for chats. Customize your chats with different wallpapers to make conversations more engaging. Number 4 on our list is mute multiple chats. You can mute several chats at once, ensuring a peaceful, notification-free experience. Coming in at number 5 is forwarding limit. WhatsApp has introduced a limit on forwarding messages to reduce the spread of misinformation. Be aware of this new restriction. At number 6, we have animated stickers. You can now send fun and expressive animated stickers in your chats. Our next tip at number 7 is two-step verification. Enable this feature to add an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account. Number 8 on our list is multi-device support. WhatsApp is rolling out support for using the same account on multiple devices simultaneously. Stay tuned for this exciting feature. Up next at number 9 is voice messages playback speed. You can now adjust the playback speed of voice messages, making it easier to catch up on long messages. Our 10th tip is disappearing photos and videos. You can send photos and videos that disappear after they've been viewed, adding an extra layer of privacy to your media sharing. At number 11, we have search for stickers. You can now search for specific stickers using keywords, making it easier to find the perfect one for your chat. Number 12 on our list is WhatsApp web updates. Stay tuned for new features and improvements on WhatsApp web, making it even more versatile. Up next at number 13 is status privacy. Customize who can view your status updates by selecting from options like My Contacts, Accept, or Only Share With. There you have it, our list of the latest and greatest WhatsApp tips and tricks for 2023. WhatsApp continues to evolve, and staying updated with these hacks can enhance your messaging experience. If you found this video helpful and are eager to try out these new WhatsApp tips and tricks, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Things 360 for more exciting tech-related content